We're live. Morning, Gio. It's going good. How are you doing? Weekend was good. I watched Formula One this weekend and the Masters. That's pretty much it. Pretty much it. Hello, Sean. Good morning. We should have an SBS update. It's getting close to finalized. Had a call with Ben last night. Added the minimum, maximum like position trade, like so if it's too tight of a stop loss, you can have it avoid that. As well as the other main thing is just you can put in indicators like I want to have it long when it's above the VWAP or short, but you know, stuff like that. So you can add that in now. Those are the main things on the update. NQTrader, that is now you are allowed to move the stop loss and TP around, as well as a trail stop added to NQTrader and buttons to NQTrader, so it's a little easier. Reverse button? No. I didn't know that was what someone wanted. There is a reverse button built into NinjaTrader. But I believe that would turn off the strategy if you click those buttons, but yeah, it does. Yeah, I can ask. But that I don't think that was on the cards. Yeah. Wait until we get NQTrader and SBS abstracted out of the same order management system. Yes. Yeah, but those should be like getting finalized this week. So the goal is this weekend or sometime early next week we can get that out to you guys. I know I keep kind of pushing it back, but it's right there, almost done. So should be good. I think NQTrader is going to be I guess not necessarily a more important update, but the trail stop is going to be big on the NQTrader. And moving the stop loss TPs around, also pretty big. Good morning. So that's big. And then again, on SBS, you are able to, you know, put longs above VWAP, shorts below VWAP. You have to like code it yourself, which NinjaTrader can do. I'm gonna have Ben give some templates out, so like, you know, for some basic ones, like if you want a long above VWAP, short below, you would know what to put in. Should be good though. Sounds a little confusing. It shouldn't be bad. So, but we are. Does. Yeah. Scott, if you have a smarter way of doing that, you know, you should maybe reach out to Ben for me or something. He mentioned, yeah. Yes, he said you have to have it print a order or a symbol on the chart for it to recognize it or something. So that's the only thing you would need the code for, is to print a symbol. Yeah, I mean, I'm with you. Yeah. So if you know a better way of doing that, I would really appreciate if you reached out to Ben. I can even text him right now. I'll say, Scott is saying you don't need yeah, okay. Basically, he mentioned to me that it's you can use any indicator you want. So you could use VWAP, you could use SMAs, you could use literally whatever. And you just need to have it print a symbol on the chart for it to recognize that, and then it would take it like that. But so I'm probably not explaining it the best, but yeah, NQ is good. Just gotta really learn when to run it, right? That's the most important thing. Learning when to turn it on, when to turn it off. Sweeping a high right here into the open, 250. Hopefully we can have a good week here. Alrighty, market opens here, 10 seconds. SBS trades in 2 minutes. Market's open. Getting a little bit of a dump and pump here on the open. We got about 45 seconds till SBS can start taking some trades. What's up? What's up? We're just chilling right now, waiting for SBS to give us some potential trades. There's a short, 32. Got close, first TP hit there. We're trailing. Out for 263. Looks like we might have just gotten an unlucky tag there. Again, a little looser trail stop in these markets are it's probably a good idea. Instead of a 60 tick, maybe like even a 70 tick would help. Yeah. Botfolio started off the week yesterday up 2K. I think we're gonna move down, take out 174 lows. Equal lows there at 174. And just tapped 177. There's the equal lows. Okay. I'm drawing Fibonacci decimal points, following trend, entering. You can do whatever you want, man. Whatever works. It's just a general order entry system. If you're doing good, don't confuse yourself. Don't just stick to it, man. Mechanical way. Yep. Scan stuff on the videos. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a good day, had a good weekend. Remember, not much news this week, so I wouldn't worry about news too much. But still need to be careful. There's still a lot of world events going on, so sitting patient up to 260. Do you have a Discord where I can do it free? There's a Discord link in the description. Timeless Discord. That was a big dump there. 140 points. It was good. I watched Formula One this weekend, and I watched the Masters. Did any of you do anything interesting this weekend? The only other interesting thing I got coming up is going to Hawaii in 3 weeks. That's about it. Skiing? That's fun. Where do you ski at? Just a place near where you live, or did you go somewhere specifically? In along here, 32 at 117. Loss there. We're down 100, so I pretty much break even on the day. 1 win, 1 loss. So that's awesome, man. That is awesome. Lebanon. Many, man. I don't even know. Takes a while to learn everything, man. Don't rush the process, that's for sure. Nice. Takes time, and it's all about managing your risk, right? All about managing the risk. Trade small, even if it takes you a while to pass. Tenth worked. Nice, nice, nice. Yep, 100% Geo. Don't over leverage yourself. Trade micros. That's all I can say. Size small so that you can lose a lot and still have your account. Obviously, the goal is you don't lose a lot, but still. I think we're going to take out Asia lows here. Asia lows are 18,956. I would suspect we go down to that. We just dropped 18,995. I don't know. I don't know about that. I mean, market dumped and then it pumped and then it dumped and then it pumped again. I mean, now we're in the middle, so I have no idea. Trust process. Yep. Kind of just sitting, chilling today. Sitting and chilling. What the heck happened there? I mean, I make videos over stuff. You know, that's pretty much where I just post all my stuff. Yeah, I haven't done any templates. We're in a short on 48. Yeah, I generally don't have templates because it would confuse a lot of people. So, um, 1 minute. I made a video on that. That's just what I would recommend to people. If you want truly slow and steady progress, I would do the 1 minute. I'll be ending the stream in probably 30 minutes or so. Still in the short here on the 48. Lost there on 48. Volatile morning. Volatile morning. Not as it's a little more normal, these conditions today, but no, we will not be seeing that. You will not be seeing that. Um, you're on MNQ. You could reload your historical data. Right click on the chart, reload all historical data. See if that changes anything. Bunch of along there 32. That's winning good. These two 42 and 48 took a loss there. We're out there for, again, just wicked out. Literally filled the bottom. Negative. Well, I am on a trade of 8 data right now. I don't know if that makes any. It shouldn't really make a difference though. I can reload mine. Let me see. Yep. Okay, I had to reload mine. Disappeared. Weird. Yeah. I agree. I agree. Very odd. Sometimes that happens. I don't know why. It's always good to just reload at the start of the day. I did not do that today. But yeah. Want us to take out the Asia low, but right now we're just kind of hovering. We're up 270 on 32. Everything else is a little red, but gotcha. Don't arm till then. We're in a long 42. I just missed a short. I looked away from my screen for a second. Short 32 and full TP. I think we'll turn the 32 off. That's 890 on the day with the 32. Yeah, SBS has been doing pretty good the past week or two, I would say. Obviously, you know, risky with all the Trump stuff lately, but looking at 42 still. Um, we're doing decent on the day. Just got real close to that stop out on the 42. And we didn't stop. $42 winner. So we're gonna stop out for 1 hour, so we're break even on the 42. Down like one trade on the 48. Up 900 on the 32. Jeez, pretty crazy market right now. Just kind of choppy and whippy. 10:04. We'll be on for another 15 minutes or so. Thought we were gonna take out Asia lows there. We got pretty close. We got 30 points away. Hold on 1 second. Let me check one thing. So, okay. There we go. NQ Trader is up like 1,400 so far this morning. Since the open, we've got two wins, a loss, a win, a win, another win, another win, loss, win, loss, win, win, win. Yeah, so we're up like 1,400 so far on NQ Trader. That's with a lot of risk per trade, though. You have to keep in mind each loss there is 750. So. Kind of just chilling now. Not much going on. We did. Big rejection there. We're interesting this morning. We dumped 260 points on the open. Then we pumped 190 points. And now we're down another 100 points again. So on 48 range, I don't know if you guys can see, we have a potential short right here and a potential pattern too long. So like if you think we're more bullish, you could turn off the short and it would put you in the long if we cross above it. Otherwise, it's going to take that short before we get to the long. Yeah, NQ Trader doing well today. Let me actually check on Botfolio. Let's see. I don't think it wasn't anything at the start of the day. Yeah, it's in one ES long from 54.80. So it's down $50 right now, but we're up 2,200 realized on the day. Yeah. So. Hey TJ, how's it going? It was a pretty good week last week. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. All right, guys. Well, 10:15. We're starting to slow down. We got real close to a 1 minute long here. Real close. Didn't quite hit it though. We're in a long on 42. Jeez, Geo, Mr. Geo. Took shorts 19,236. That's at the open. I was also looking for shorts at the open, but I didn't want to take a short right when the open occurred. Made $4,000 on personal account. That's awesome. That is awesome. I'm trying to get to that level. Lost there, 42. We are in a 1 minute trade here. I don't mind this. It's just, do we want to sweep Asia lows now? Are we finally going to move towards Asia lows? Because that would stop us out, so. Still in this 1 minute. Not in anything else currently. It kind of looks like we might want to move towards Asia lows to me. Kind of does. ES still needs to sweep London lows as well. That's at like 42 or so. So we need, we really do want to see one of those sweep. Right at entry point still on this 1 minute. Also, a little shout out to Botfolio. It's up like 14,000 realized in the past 2 weeks. So if you did want to join the waitlist on Botfolio, remember live accounts only. I would recommend doing it because it is filling up. So if you're interested, join the waitlist. We're probably going to release in end of May or early June. So a month and a half or so is the plan. We're in short on the 42. We're in short on 48 as well. We're in on all three. Want to see where these end up. So what's gonna win here? What is gonna win? I mean, we could win all three of these trades. I'm gonna be honest, but. Uh, 42 and 48 look like they want to win this trade here. Getting close to that break-even spot. One minute is up 40 points right now. Jeez. Jeez. We're chopping right now. As soon as, you know, if these range trades finish up, I think we'll end it. I don't want to sit through the 1 minute because we could be in this for a little while. So we'll see where we end up in a few minutes here. But it's already 10:23, so really close to the break evens. There, 48 triggered the break even. 42 should have been right there, and we're out on the 48. I think that's good, man. I think you're questioning yourself too much, is what it sounds like. Got really close to the break even. Like literally 1 or 2 more ticks, I think it would have hit the break even there. We're another short in the 48. I meant to turn that off. 1 minute is up 50 points. kind of a choppy morning here. Autotraders didn't do too bad. Looks like, 32 would have kept having some wins. Maybe a loss too, but best we turned it off. 1 minute. First trade of the day here, so hopefully that could win. Break even should be around 120. So if we could hit 19,120, get us to break even, that'd be good. 42s is still in the trade, 48's in the trade, so. Real close, there's 122, there's the break even. Now it'd be good if we hit that TP, or we're gonna stop out at 1R roughly, because it is a tight trail on this 1 minute, a very tight trail. And we're out. Turning that off, turning this off, turning this off. So the 42 and 48 are down, the 1 minute and 32 are up. Again, 1 minute, that would be your trade for the morning. You can keep it running for another hour or so if you want. But we're gonna end, okay? Pretty good Monday, I mean, not terrible. Considering the most common charts are 32 range and 1 minute, those are both green. Can't complain. But we're gonna end it, we'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for joining. Hope everyone has a good rest of your day. I'll see everybody tomorrow.